Hello and welcome to our channel. How to become an AI engineer in 2026. Complete roadmap beginner to pro. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From chat GPT and self-driving cars to AI agents replacing entire workflows, AI engineers are among the highest paid professional in 2026. But here is the real question. How do you actually become an AI engineer in 2026 step by step? In this video, I will give you a clear practical roadmap. Even if you are starting from zero coding experience, let's begin. What is an AI engineer? AI engineer is someone who builds, deploys, and scale AI systems. You are not just training models, you are building LLM powered application, design AI agents, working with real production data, deploying models on cloud platform and optimizing performance and cost. In 2026, AI engineers sit at the intersection of software engineering, machine learning, generative AI, ML ops and cloud. So you need all these technological knowledge and experience to become a successful AI engineer in 2026. Step 1, Master Programming Foundations. Start your journey with Python. Python is backbone of AI. Almost all machine learning libraries are available in AI such as TensorFlow, scikit-learn, Keras, etc., which is used for building the machine learning models. And for generative AI also you need Python for developing the generative AI application. In Python you must learn variables, loops and functions, OOP concepts, exception handling, file handling. Then move on to the data libraries. In data libraries you must learn NumPy, Pandas and Matplot, Seaborn libraries. Also learn Git and GitHub, basic Linux command, API and JSON. So you should learn what is API, what is JSON, how to process the JSON data, etc. AI engineers are engineers first, not just model users. Learn math and core ML concepts. You don't need a PhD, but you must understand the fundamental. Focus on linear algebra, vectors, matrices, probability and statistics, gradient descent, loss functions, overfitting versus underfitting. So all these core ML concepts you must know. Then learn about supervised, unsupervised learning, regression and classification, decision trees and random forest, model evaluation matrices, and the tool you must use is scikit-learn and Jupyter Notebook. So learning all this will take some time and you will master the machine learning concepts first. Next step is to learn the deep learning and neural networks. You must learn neural network architecture, backpropagation, CNN for images, RNN and LSTMs for sequences, and frameworks you must learn is TensorFlow and PyTorch. Understand when to train versus when to use pre-trained models. Understand when to train versus when to use pre-trained models, a critical skill in 2026, and this is considered as a critical skill. Next thing is to learn the generative AI and LLMs. this is non-negotiable in 2026. So in 2026, you must learn the generative AI and various LLMs. You must master the transformers, then attention mechanism, prompt engineering, embeddings and vector databases, then work with OpenAI, Azure, OpenAI, Llama, Mistral, Hugging Face models. So you should be able to use all these models in your program. You must build the chatbots, RAG system, AI copilots, autonomous AI agents. So these are things you should make and develop the project, create the project and upload it onto your GitHub. Tools you should learn is LangChain, Llama Index and Pinecode, Fias, Waviate. Next, learn the MLOps and deployment. Models are useless if they are not in production. So you should learn to deploy the model in the production. Learn model versioning, how to create the different versions of your model, experiment tracking, CI/CD for ML, and monitoring and drift detection. So all these concepts you must learn. Tools you should use is MLflow, Docker, Kubernetes and Fast API. Cloud platforms you should know is AWS, Azure, GCP. So it's lot of things to learn to master AI. This is what separates hobbyists from real AI engineers. Build real world projects. Projects are your currency, so you must build it. Sample projects are resume screening, customer support agent, document QA system, recommendation engine and fraud detection. You must deploy them, document them, open source them. So you can open source it by publishing it in your GitHub account. So your GitHub is your resume in 2026. So you must create your GitHub account and create projects and publish there as an open source project. Choose a specialization. AI is massive, specialized to stand out. Popular paths are generative AI engineer, AI agent architect, ML engineer, computer vision engineer, NLP engineer, AI platform engineer. So AI is massive and you must specialize by selecting the correct path for you. My final advice and motivation: AI engineering is not about memorizing algorithms, it's about solving real problems with intelligence at scale. If you practice daily, build consistently, learn by doing, then you will become AI engineer in 12 to 18 months, even from scratch. So you are starting from scratch and following my guidelines, then you will become AI engineer in 12 to 18 months. It's a long time and with consistent effort you can become AI engineer. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. So you can start doing it now and start it from today. If this roadmap helps you, like the video, subscribe AI tutorials, comment AI 2026 and I will share a free learning roadmap to you. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.